Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is SunSmy Window Cleaning Robot. The innovative window cleaning robot provides a convenient solution to eliminate the hassle of manual window cleaning while ensuring safety by avoiding the need to work at heights. With 3 automatic cleaning modes and a double spiral cleaning head equipped with a microfiber cloth, the robot efficiently cleans windows and walls without causing any damage. Users can control the robot using an infrared remote or a user-friendly app provided by SunSmy, allowing for customization based on different needs. Utilizing vacuum motor technology, the robot generates a powerful vertical suction force of 2500 Pa/2800 Pa to adhere securely to glass surfaces. Additionally, the built-in UPS ensures that the robot remains operational for up to 30 minutes in case of power loss, preventing accidents and ensuring continuous performance. Our second best robotic window cleaner is Ecovacs Winboth W1 Window Cleaning Robot. The robot is equipped with powerful 2800 pascals suction power, allowing it to easily attach to windows without the need for manual cleaning. This saves you time and effort while also eliminating the risks associated with working at heights. Its unique dual-direction cross spray ensures effective and continuous mopping, effortlessly removing tough stains. The internal drive system guarantees smooth and secure movement, even in case of power failure, thanks to its high-quality materials and precise gravity settings. With 3 adaptive cleaning modes, quick cleaning, deep cleaning, and spot stain removal, the robot thoroughly cleans windows using a forward-reverse motion. It can even clean frameless glass effortlessly with its high-precision coupling sensor that detects edges within milliseconds. The large reservoir capacity and water-saving spray feature reduce the need for frequent pad replacements or tank refills. Third choice in our list is Tosima W2 Window Cleaner Robot. The Tosima is a cutting-edge window cleaning robot that effortlessly removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, and smudges from glass surfaces using its powerful suction motor and microfiber cleaning pads. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI technology for efficient path planning, the Tosima ensures thorough and streak-free cleaning every time. It offers multiple cleaning modes to accommodate various needs, from quick spot cleans to full window treatments or even high-rise windows. Safety features like anti-fall sensors and a secure attachment mechanism keep the robot firmly in place during operation on vertical surfaces. With removable and washable cleaning pads for easy maintenance, the Tosima takes the hassle out of window cleaning while you relax. Number 4 in our side is Chovery Window Cleaner Robot. The CL3 window cleaning robot features upgraded dual-side water outlets for thorough cleaning coverage. Our window vacuum effectively eliminates stains from windows with its average water spray volume. This robot can clean up to 30 windows at once without slipping, and prevents water from flowing onto the windowsill. Equipped with a smart navigation system and edge detection technology, the window washing robot uses smart AI to detect obstacles and adjust its direction accordingly, offering 3 auto-cleaning paths. The glass cleaning robot utilizes a powerful suction force of 2700 Pa/3300 Pa thanks to its motor. With a built-in lithium battery for backup power, it can operate for an additional 30 minutes in case of power outage to prevent falls. Remember to secure the safety rope. Last in our top 5 best robotic window cleaner list is AlphaBot Window Cleaning Robot. The X7 robot is equipped with cutting-edge technology to efficiently clean your windows. Its advanced algorithm enables it to detect edges and scrub every part of the window, even the difficult-to-reach areas. The intuitive cleaning system ensures a fast, thorough, and cost-effective cleaning process by selecting the best path for cleaning. Washable microfiber pads are used to deeply scrub the windows, leaving them sparkling clean. Forget about manually spraying water. With a 50 ml water tank, the X7 robot ensures a cleaner and more thorough window cleaning experience. Safety is a top priority with the X7 robot, Featuring a 3 kPa suction power for secure attachment to glass surfaces, a 30-minute backup battery in case of power failure, and a safety rope attachment for added protection. Utilizing advanced edge detection technology with opt-coupler sensors, the X7 robot can identify glass edges and adjust its cleaning path without any collisions or falls. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.